Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Ecom Himalaya, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can integrate tracking widget into your website so that customer will be able to track their order directly by entering tracking number, guys. Let me show you what I mean by that. So what we wanted to achieve something like this, guys. Here customer will be able to enter their tracking number and then click on track, and they will be able to track their order directly, guys. Currently our tracking page is looking like this. As you can see, by default tracking pages look like this. So what we wanted to like in by default settings, we need to customer need to enter their order ID, their billing email, and then need to track their order. But what we wanted to achieve a tracking page in which a customer will just need to enter their tracking number and they will be able to track their order directly into our website, guys. So let's get started. So, and for those who are new to this channel, we are actually creating a playlist on how to create an e-commerce or dropshipping website from scratch, the one that you can see right now on my screen. The best part is that you don't need to have any coding knowledge. I've already created a playlist. The link for that playlist will be in description below and in icon button. This is our 20th video in the same series, and today I'm going to show you how we can integrate tracking widget into our website, guys. So let's get right into it. So the first thing that we need to do is log in into our website. As you can see, this is my website. After domain name, I need to enter WP admin, then hit on click enter, and after that I need to enter the user credential and I'll be able to log in into my dashboard, guys. Once I log in into my dashboard, I need to head over to pages. I need to click on all pages, guys. Okay. So from here, I need to create a new page, guys. Once I click on new page, then I need to add a new page of the tracking that I wanted to create. Okay, so here I can enter something like order tracking. Okay, so we are going to discuss four methods through which you can enter this tracking widget, guys. You can use any one of them, and for this reference we are going to use this text document that I am going to provide you later, that I'm going to provide you. So the first is this one. Let me show you. So the first website is this one. This track more website will provide you a functionality to integrate this tracking widget into your website. So by default, what happened? Let me refresh it. Let me show you. So by default tracking pages look like this, as you can see. But what we wanted to have, we wanted to change this color, this orange color, to our brand color, guys. So for that, what we wanted to have, we will change it to our brand color. So we are going to use this extension, which is ColorZilla, guys. Once I click on this, then I'll be able to pick the brand color that I have. Let's pick from here. As you can see, I was able to copy it. This is the Chrome extension, guys. For those who don't know, you can download it from Chrome Web Store. ColorZilla is its name. You need to click on add this extension and then you'll be able to add this extension. Once I have copied this, I need to head over to color, and here I'll paste my brand color. Once I click on this, as you can see, my tracking page is looking like this. So let's get ahead and see how we can integrate this. So we need to copy this line of a code inside our body tag. So we'll copy this one, and we have added this new page, and here we'll be using this. As for those who are following my videos know, this is the cadence block, guys. If you are using Elementor, if you are using Shopify in which you wanted to integrate, all you need to do is click on custom HTML or uh, change it to HTML, and then you need to paste this code. For those who are using this plugin, you need to search for custom HTML, and then you will be able to see this option, guys. Even in Elementor you will be able to see this option. So I need to paste it here, and then I'll publish it. Once I publish it, second thing, there are actually two steps. To integrate this widget, I need to paste this line of a code in head tag as well. So I'll copy this one. The body tag will go inside the page as we have integrated it, and this head tag needs to be entered inside our header, guys. So let me show you how where you can paste it. You need to head over to your dashboard, and there you need to click on appearance, then you need to click on theme file editor, guys. Once you click on theme file editor, you will be able to see this option header.php, guys. As for those who are following my video know, this is the child theme that we have created, and inside this child theme we have all these folders, all these files through which we can have some through which we can enter some extra line of a code that will remain safe inside our website. And for those who wanted to know how we can create a child theme, there will be a link in the description and in iCard button above. As you can see, this is our head tag, and here I need to paste it. Okay. If you are not using child theme, then too you will be able to see this option header.php, and you will be able to paste it inside your file, guys. But and the code will work perfectly fine. But what is going to happen whenever you are going to update your theme, this particular code will get erased, and you need to enter it again. This is why we use child theme, because once we use child theme, when if even if we update our plugin, even if we update our theme, this line of a code will remain safe. So once I click on update file, it has been updated, as you can see. Then I'll go ahead. This line of a code I have already done. I'll click on view page. Let's go ahead. Order tracking. This is the page, as you can see we have. So for example, I have these some tracking details in order to see if this is working or not. So I have entered, a customer will enter their tracking number and then hit on track. Once they hit on track, they will be redirected to this website, guys. So that is one disadvantage of this method, that it will redirect this to this website. As you can see, our tracking details has been, we are able to see the tracking details. This particular tracking number has been expired because it was issued way back, but we are able to see the details, as you can see. Okay. So this is something that we don't want. We don't want our customer to go from our website into a third party website. So there are other methods through which you will be able to see that a customer is able to enter their tracking details, and they will be able to track their order directly. So let me go ahead and show you the second method. And for those who are wondering where you will get all this file, you will be able to download this notepad file inside my blog, guys. You will be getting a link in the description, and from there you will be able to download this one, as you can see. So this is our second method. Inside second method, let's go ahead, and here, as you can see, so this script needs to be pasted inside head block, guys. So I'll go ahead, and here in header.php I'll paste this one. Okay, let's update it. And this code, I need to enter this line of a code inside my body tag in the page. So I'll just go ahead and paste it like this, and then I'll update it. Okay, once I update it, then I'll just go ahead, and as you can see, I have this tracking number. So let's go ahead and track this order. Okay, as you can see, it will not redirect into the third party website. It will directly, you will be able to track this order directly into your website, guys. So this is the better way through which a customer will be able to track their order directly into your website, guys. So this is our second method. And as you can see, the tracking details is for expressb, and it has been expired. As you can see, we are able to also see all this option. Okay. And there is one thing that a customer will see some ad, because you are using their services for free, so customer will see some ad, but there is nothing to worry. They will be able to track their order directly into your website, guys. Okay, so this is our second method through which you can do that. And the third method is very famous. This website 17 track, most of the people are using it. Most of the people that are doing international drop shipping has been using it. So what we wanted to have, like in all the method that we have discussed before, we have two line of a code. One is to paste inside the header, inside the head tag, and the second one inside the body tag. But in this method, what you need to enter, you need to enter this line of a code inside body tag only. There is nothing needs to be pasted inside the header tag. So I'll remove this one. Okay, and I'll just go to this one, and then I'll paste it, and then I'll update it. Okay, this is very easy, guys. And then this is our third method. We have already discussed our two methods. As you can see, we are able to see these details, and here too you will be able to track your order directly, guys. And let's go ahead and see the fourth method as well, which is very good. So inside, as you can see, this is the head tag that we need to enter. So I'll copy this and then I'll paste it inside the head tag, update it, and this. Okay, there is one more thing that I wanted to mention before. So here, change this height to 250. Okay, 250 pixel, and here just paste it like this and then update. Let's see if it is working or not. Okay, let's update again. As you can see, it is working. Okay, so let me grab some tracking number in order to show you that this is working. We'll enter this tracking and then we hit on track package. As you can see, this particular shipment has been out for delivery on this date and it has been undelivered. Let's go ahead and track another order as well. So this is the another tracking number that I have. All these are dummy tracking number. As you can see, the shipment has been delivered on this date. It has been out for delivery on this date. So with this method, you will be able to, a customer will be able to see the last two tracking details of a particular package, guys. Okay, and one more important thing that you might be wondering why we change it to 250, because if you don't change it to 250, you will be getting an error if you updated that minimum width of the widget, minimum height of the widget needs to be 250 pixel. That is why we change it. Okay, and one important thing, how we can change the color of this. So for that, you need to head over to this one. As you can see, our background color of our button needs to be orange and color button needs to be white. And then I'll just copy it. Let me show you where you can paste it in order to, if you wanted to change this tracking button color. Okay, so inside our page, as you can see in src code, you need to change it. So I'll just erase it, paste it, update it. Okay, let's go ahead and now update it. Just a minute. As you can see, it has been updated. So my the color of this button has been changed, and we can enter the AWP number. You can enter any AWP number and it will be able to track this order. As you can see, I will click on track package and it will be able to track it. Just give it a minute. As you can see, this particular shipment has been delivered on this date and it has been out for delivery on this date. So this is the exact method through which you will be able to. So in this video, we have discussed about the 4 methods through which you will be able to track your order directly into your website. And this particular file, you will be able to find it inside my blog, guys. And there you will be getting a drive link and you will be able to download this file. And you can use any of the method that you want. The first method is this one, second is this one, third is this one, and fourth is this one. Let me know in the comment section which one do you like. In our next video, I am going to show you how we can send emails to our customer regarding our tracking details, guys. So our next video is going to be amazing. Make sure that you subscribe to this video channel, and I'll see you next one, guys. Bye bye, take care, see you.